Okay, this is the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Regenerating Cream. So this cream I usually use at nighttime, but you can use it 2 times a day. So you could use it morning and night, as long as you clean your face beforehand. It has retinol, so some people are a little bit sensitive to this. So when you start using it, use like a teensy bit and do a spot test on one side of your face or just one portion of your face to make sure that you don't have a sensitivity. But for me, I have really sensitive skin, and this hasn't been a problem at all. It's really comfortable to put on. It's a nice thick cream. I'll show you on the inside what it looks like. It has a good scent. It's kind of a floral scent for this one. You can see it's pretty thick cream. A little bit goes a long way. You really don't need much. This size container will last you for a long time. So I highly recommend it. I think it's great for people with sensitive skin. And you can apply it to your face and your neck, and you really just need like a pea-sized amount. So a little bit goes a long way.